Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock IRCTC. Actually, the stock gave a breakout from a long-term range. The range was followed since 2020. This company has very short chart history. So the stock has chart history from 2020 only. Now the stock gave a breakout from a all-time high. Now it's very good and moving steadily higher and high. So now let's analyze the stock. And the stock has potential to move to the price range of 3000, which is almost 50% upside. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart. In this month the stock wiped out all the returns. It's a COVID fall. Actually the stock gave a almost a 50% downside from the market price. After a huge fall, there is no follow up in this region. In fact, there is a small buying pressure here at the price range of 830 700, and there is a very small candles. It's very low in range. It's almost within the price range of 1400 to 1300, and after a small regions, the stock now gained a volatility a bit. Now it's moving higher and high, and the stock is also very steady, so one can expect the stock to give a fantastic returns in upcoming days. So now let's move to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of IRCTC. Now let me draw the major supply zone, and now it's a demand zone. So this was a supply zone since 2020. After the stock hitting the supply zone here, it started falling, but the fall is very low because the fall couldn't move behind this demand zone, so it acted as a major support for the stock. And look at the candles here. The red candle itself showing a small buying pressure, so this is a kind of identity. This is a kind of bullishness shown in the stock, even in the red candle. So look at the candle here. It's just a manipulated move. It's just due to the emotions. The people who are holding have sold drastically here, but the stock prices were accumulated by someone. So let me use the Fibonacci retracement tool to analyze the retracement levels. So it's a good 0.618 retracement. It's a very good retracement point. Actually the stock made a engulfing here. It's an engulfing pattern. So whenever a engulfing comes at the bottom of the fall, then we can expect a good up move. The same thing happened in the stock. Look at the stock. The breakout was huge, but sellers are quite strong here, and so that the stock consolidated a bit here. It's almost 3 weeks of consolidation. After the 3 weeks of consolidation, it's a kind of retracement. The stock may even come down and might have some more consolidation. So it's not a problem, but the stock will move to the price range of 3000 very easily. And now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price targets and entry and exits in the stock. So this is the daily chart. Let me clear all this. So in the daily chart, look at the breakout here. The breakout was very huge. The huge candle breakout with a good retracement. The retracement was with a very small candles, which means the contraction of volatility. Whenever a volatility contracts, then on expansion it will move higher and higher. But in the daily chart, we can see that the candles are losing momentum here. So this losing momentum is a bad sign. The volatility just expanded, but there is a lack of interest to buy the shares at higher prices. So one can even wait for the stock to come to the price range of 2000, and there will be a good up move after that. So one can buy here a small bit, and if the market comes below the price range of 2100, then start accumulating more, because the stock shows quite weakness here. Look at the candle. The huge candle was completely sold off here. So this is due to the improper order market support, but one can even go long in particular stocks because the stock gave a breakout. It's a very huge potential breakout, and it also took a retracement like this, and after retracement it started moving higher, but there is no stuff on moving higher. So one can go long only after a small retracement. So the trend will be more healthy. One can buy 25% of investment here and another 25 here. If the stock surprised us by moving upward, then try to accumulate more on pullbacks. So the target is around 3000. Let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. So let me take this as a retracement. So the entry is around 2300 level only, and 3025 can be taken as a target. This is very easy target for the stock. The stock will make a gigantic move even in a week. So make sure you buy the stocks on dips, and currently the stock is losing its momentum. You buy the stocks within the price range of 2300 and make average buy price below the 2300 price range, and one can expect 3025 as the target price for the stock. If you bought the stocks below the price range of 2300, you will get almost a 30% upside. And if the market supports, the stock will move to the price range of 3600 also. The main point is the markets are at all time high, so the markets may correct a bit. Have a cautious move and cautious positions. Try to trade only in the liquid stocks, because the reversal in illiquid stocks are very much dangerous. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.